Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest box from GLOSSYBOX. Let's check out and see what's inside. If you haven't seen my prior video on GLOSSYBOX, I'll post it somewhere here, or at the end of the video. And let's just dive into it. They gave me a couple of these. These are like meal kits. I don't really generally use meal kits simply because I tend to cook at home. I don't have a problem with cooking at home, and it's cheaper than, you know, going out to restaurants, quite honestly. Show you what the inside looks like a little bit. How pretty is that? Very spring-like. Okay, the theme is Blossom. Very excited. All right, what's the first thing I'm gonna pull out of here? Oof. So, it's a full-size can. Ooh, it's a dry shampoo from Collab. Let's read the description on this. It reads as follows, the description. Ain't nobody got time for a full wash as baby showers, Easter, and wedding panels conference planning kicks in. Obviously, this was written before the shutdown here. That's when this award-winning dry shampoo saves the in-between wash days. All the oil absorption, no white residue. This retails for $5.49. Well, now we've got plenty of time to wash our hair. So dry shampoo doesn't really have a great excuse. But if you're just not feeling like washing your hair that day, this can help in a pinch. Okay, the next thing I have here is the Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant from Avant Skincare. All right. Hydrate intensely and smooth wrinkles with this double duty face exfoliant that leaves the skin soft and supple thanks to its blend of rose and vitamin B5. The price for this, okay, wait. The price for this is $114. This baby right here I'm holding. I'm just gonna hold this up to the light because I have my reading glasses on and I could swear, I'm like, this has to be $14. This could not be $114. So I'm just gonna see if I can get more light here. Yeah, I'll be. This is $114 US. I've never heard of Avant Skincare, AVANT. $114. Maybe this is the deluxe sample, because this could not be $114 by itself. This is 1.69 fluid ounce, which is 50 ml. This could possibly not be full size, because for $114, this better be triple the size that this is, and it better deliver. Wow. Wow. Okay, in this package, it's telling me that I would be receiving something from Vitamasks, but I don't see that here. What I see is something like this. This is Serum, C-I-R-E-M. Okay, you see that? And it's a HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask. I was supposed to receive that one. See the variant down there? And that is from Vitamask, and that's the Ruby Sheet Mask. But I didn't get that. I got a 3-in-1 sheet mask. Feels like there's a lot of liquid inside here. With Serum's HCR 3-in-1 facial sheet mask, you can revitalize, refresh, and restore with just one step. Retinol helps to immediately transform dull, devitalized skin as vitamin C brightens and boosts luminosity, and hyaluronic acid plumps and hydrates. Just like Serum's HCR 3-in-1 serum, okay, so they actually have something else. This facial sheet mask acts as an instant triple threat for visible signs of aging, dehydration, and dullness. With Serum's rapid absorption technology, this unique mask formula is quickly delivered into the skin for a dramatically nourished finishing touch for any skincare routine. The first ingredients on here is water, butylene, B-U-T-Y-L-E-N-E, butylene glycol, and the next one is glycerin. It looks like it might have something from the milk family, lecithin, dipanthenol, xanthan gum. I'm gonna put up the list of ingredients that this supposed miracle worker has somewhere on the screen. And it says it's never tested on animals. That's a good thing. I wonder why I didn't get the Vitamask. Okay, what's next in this lovely thing? Oh, this is called Inked by Danny. These are temporary tattoos. Hand-drawn, cruelty-free, and waterproof. And they give you directions in the back on how to apply these things. This is the Inked by Danny Flower Child Temporary Tattoos. Okay, so this bonus item is my personal fave. That's the owner writing this. And it's not because it's flowers. Temporary tattoos are a symbol of the beautiful yet fleeting moments that come during spring. With 21 designs, you can customize your arms, legs, or other places for a signature look that's all you for the moments that matter. And I guess you just use the water. Yeah. You put like a damp cloth on this, apply to skin, wait 60 seconds, and boom. They're cute. Very cute flowers. Oh, I love the little butterfly. This is from Viktor and Rolf. It's a perfume. Oh, this perfume takes the essence of Viktor and Rolf's bestseller Flower Bomb to a whole new level. Black currant and bergamot top notes, a jasmine and orange flower center, and a vanilla patchouli oil and benzoin base create a sensual impression that lingers all day long. I love a scent that lingers, that has a musk, like a deeper tone. It's not always like a light sugary flower tone. I do like something that's a little deeper and a little more adult. So I will definitely try this. The full size of this is considered, I guess, the deluxe mini. I'm not sure, but the deluxe mini is $23.69. The full size, which is 1.7 ounce of this one, would cost $120 US. Me, perfumes tend to change. They go on to the sweet side. So what smells a certain way on one person, obviously with the body chemistry, it will change. This starts off smelling a little like powdery, sort of like one of those expensive powders that they put fragrance in, but it's changing some more. Probably in an hour I'll be able to better tell what the final scent's gonna be. But I like it so far. This was finished, but I found one more thing. Look at this cute little one here. Oh, that's a lovely pink. What is that? This is from Nails Inc., and this is the Nails Inc. Blossom Kisses nail polish. Ring in the spring with this cute nail polish from Nails Inc., a brand with focus on innovation and how beauty makes us feel. We thought this was a perfect match for this box, being cruelty-free and fitting for a spring color. That's true. Also, it's pink. Need we say more? And the price for this bad boy is $11 US. So I would give this box a B, and here's why. I am on the positive side. I love the fact that I've gotten from a bunch of companies that I've never heard of before. So in that respect, that's great. Dry shampoo, it comes in handy, but we're not living at a time, at least right at this moment that I'm filming this, where dry shampoo is the ultimate. But for those people who, I don't know, maybe they want their style to last a little bit longer, there's longer trips, you know, time between going to an actual beauty parlor, maybe they want to try to use this. I will definitely try this out in the near future, especially with the summer coming. I tend to go more towards dry shampoo. This, I can't believe, is $114. This, I blown away. Like, there are no words. This was not what I was supposed to get, but somehow I ended in my box. I will try it because I do enjoy masks. I try every Sunday to do like a skincare facial routine. So I'm happy about that. I will definitely be using it. This, I don't use nail polish, and I know I did not put in my details that I wanted any kind of nail polish. So that will definitely be given away. And as far as this little boy, the smell is changing. It's becoming lighter. It's It's becoming lighter, more spring-like. If that, I would say spring-like, definitely more like a flowery scent. It's weird how perfume changes from the initial try-on to mixing with your body chemistry and then letting time take care of it. But it definitely evokes spring for me. Though, you know, with perfume it's rather tricky, but again, I'm going to give this GLOSSYBOX a B. This is my second box, and again, as I mentioned before, I will be posting my initial premiere video on my first time ever with GLOSSYBOX. I'll post it here, or at the end of this video. And I've given my thoughts on that and some details on the box as well. So overall, what do you think? Are you a GLOSSYBOX subscriber? Let me know in the comments below what you got in your box. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup beauty subscription adventure. And I hope to see you on the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.